Alright guys, part 3, I think it is. We got success and failure. Failure is, Brian's here. What up, Brian?
Hi. I brought tools, that's why I'm here.
Yeah, he brought tools. This is the bad one. This is that one that I was showing you earlier from the passenger side that has the broken porcelain off of it. Basically, it's able to get power off of one side, right, and the other side because of the broken.
Yeah, one side's good is the broken power.
Yeah, so basically this side is able to get power. That side, because it's got the little crack in the porcelain, it's not able to get the power correctly to it. So, yeah.
And all this stuff has got a lot of corrosion in there. Should be cleaned off and
yeah, that side gets stuff.
So that side's good.
But it's the other side that doesn't.
And this side, you can see where everything's sort of cracked and it's riveted together.
Yeah, the crack is right there.
Yeah, there's a whole corner cracked off, but you can see there's no power coming through here. And everything is so dirty. All through this is just corroded to hell.
Well, I've also noticed when I took it apart, it's definitely the original seals, and they're...
What's left of them.
Yeah. So there was
like
definitely moisture that has gotten in there.
But I'm sure I got the right one. So we've got continuity at the wire, but not at the bulb holder. And that's all because of this cracked porcelain and the rivet that holds it all together. So that will require some... either a replacement if I can find it, or I'll have to just come up with some other redneck engineered solution.
Yeah, so we're trying to get that one to perform.
That's not going to happen today, though.
No. But it's on the ground. It is hooked up. This is a driver's side one, and if I lights on, turn the key on, it works. So we do have one. We do have one working. We do have one working.
So
fog light.
Half success, half failure.
Yes. It's okay because hey, I at least have one of them working. That's all I could ask for because before none of them worked. So got one working. Got a new, what was that, multifunction relay?
Multifunction
got
relay.
that, even though that was only like 15 bucks. I'm not, and that didn't fix what I was aiming for. But like I said in the first video, it was cheap. It needed to be done. We're good. Got two new bulbs. The one's a new one. It works. The other one, gonna give it to Brian. Either Brian or Chris. Chris has some funky ideas he was talking about, but we're gonna try to get it to work. And besides that, halfway operation, get the Marshals working in the 86. Good. So.
Yeah, and because these things are so old and they were so far used, only a few cars actually use these lights from the factory. Finding anything on them is kind of difficult. So
yeah, and I believe 86 was the last year for any company, not just Ford. I believe 86 was the last year for Marchal.
Everybody faded out from using anything with the H2 bulb because of how finicky the holders were and how easily they broke.
Yeah,
so.
See, these are the bulbs that we're talking about. They're, let's see, come on, focus. They are weird. Yeah, H2, which every single auto store we went to had H1 to H37. I'm just coming up with the number, but no H2s. Luckily, O'Reilly's hit up. Thanks, O'Reilly's. You totally saved the day because none of the other ones could even order them, and I could order them online, but I just kind of wanted them the next day. Lakeland had like 20 pairs of them, so it was boom. I went there at 10:15 this morning, and I had them at 2:30. So, thanks, guys. But yeah. We might come up with something different, but
one thing I am looking into is Cibier, another French lighting company, used the same style reflector bulb and bulb holder in their 35 airport fog lamps.
From what I was looking at too, when I was looking on YouTube for some stuff about this, I believe like there was a lot of stuff with Marchal and Cibier. And I believe towards the end they might have been the same, not sure, but I think they used a lot of the same parts.
Yeah, like I said, I think the housings and lenses are different, but the reflectors seem to be the same, and they use the same bulb holder. So I've got got one source of lighting information that I stumbled on years ago with my crappy Lincoln Mark 8 headlights, and I'm going to see if I can locate something there. Other than that, all I found was 15-year-old posts from Mustang and Lincoln forums.
Yeah. So, guys, hopefully what we did helps, because I know just from my searches on YouTube for the last many years, there is nothing on... there's not really that much stuff on 4-eyed stuff. No one really gives the 4-eyeds love, and especially with the old fog lights, everyone just kind of goes, hey, they don't work. You even look at like eBay for non-working examples, you're still paying $100 to $150 just for the lenses and housings itself, and let alone if they got a cover for them, you're paying $150 just for the covers, which the covers are fucking badass. I don't blame them why. But yeah, so a lot of people just ditch them and go something else, which... totally understandable, but I love these lights. I love the way they look. It's a square hole, so you can't really put a circle in there. I'm not GM, so but yeah, so thank you. Keep a lookout for probably part 4 if we get this thing fixed. So see you next time. Pints and Pistons, check us out.